From the providers, Aurora Peak, 17-inch tool pouch bag. On the bottom of the bag, we have these rubber ball feet, 5 of them, for skid-proof support. It's black and orange with handle that wraps around. Nice large zippers that open up with D-rings, and inside a shoulder strap harness. With a hard shell bottom, Velcro strapped in that could be moved and crushed or supported down for support in opening. Metal wire around the opening that closes up as zippers, both sides, with zippers on the opposite side opening up a small pouch area. A fish mesh. On the sides we have pouches as well and straps to put in different things. At the leading edges on the other side we have a long pouch to add in different types of materials. And placing the hooks onto the D-rings is simply sliding over and locking into place. With an adjustable shoulder strap, the different lengths. Drills, power banks, scissors, utility knives, tape measures to the side, Allen keys, screwdrivers, carrying up to about 50 pounds of tools in your gear, depending on what you want to carry and have. We have here is an assortment of different types of tools, clamps, hammers, cutters, additional hammers, the scissors, screws, pipe benders, more types of a pair of cable cutters, a pair of sockets, and on the opposite side, holding your open wrench, a screwdriver, knives, and in the pouch on the side here, some socket handles, small sockets, extensions, and so forth. Aurora Peak for all your tools, carpentry, electrical, handyman, around the house. Something that you need a large capacity tool pouch for, holding all your tools. Enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for, thank you for viewing.